Okay, this is lesson 5, finding radius and diameter of a circle. The circumference of a circle is 24 pi centimeters. What is the exact area of a circle? So the first thing we can do is draw a diagram to assist us in solving the problem. So if I have a circle, here it is. Okay. And what they're talking about here is the circumference. In other words, the distance around here. Okay. The distance around here. Okay. So what information is needed to solve this problem? Well, what I need is the radius of this. Okay. So I need the radius. So in order to solve this, okay, then what I have to do here is I have the circumference, okay, and we need the to find that first. So we have the circumference here, which is 24 pi, so we can replace that. Solve for our diameter and get the radius. So we can solve by dividing both sides by pi, which we did this yesterday. So that's what we're going to do. Divide, and we get 24 for the diameter. Now remember, to find the radius, we divide the diameter by 2. So we're going to take that diameter, which is 24, divide it by 2, and that's going to equal our radius. So our radius is going to equal 12. Now we need that in order to find the area of that circle, okay? So now the next thing that we need to do here is we need to find that area. So now to find that area, okay, we have area equals pi r squared. So our radius is 12. So pi times 12 squared. 12 squared is 100. Sorry about that. 144. So if we put that in our calculators, and again, it doesn't say to round, so what we're going to do is just simply multiply that and get our answer, which is 452.389 342.1. And our label is centimeters squared. Okay. So again, the information we needed, okay, to solve the problem was the radius, okay, because we needed the radius in order to find the area, okay. So our next problem, okay, we need to find the area of a circle with a diameter of 42 centimeters. Well, if the diameter is 42, our radius is 42 divided by 2, which is 21. So the area is pi r squared, which equals pi times 21 squared. So to find 21 squared, that is 441. So we take that 441 and we're going to multiply that by pi. And we are going to get 1,000 385.44236 centimeters. Okay. For question number 2, we're going to answer A, B, and C. So for 2A, we have, for number 2, it says the circumference of a circle is 9 pi centimeters. What is the diameter? Well, to find that, remember the circumference of that circle is 9 pi. So here we have the circumference is pi d. It's telling us the circumference, or c, is 9 pi. So we replace that. Dividing both sides by pi. Remember, our pi's cancel. We have d on this side. They also cancel on this side, which means we have 9. So our diameter is 9 centimeters. Part B wants to know, what is the radius? Remember, our radius is our diameter divided by 2. So our radius is our diameter, which is 9, divided by 2, which would be 4.5. Part C wants us to find the area. Well, the area is A equals pi r squared. We replace our radius with 4.5, and we got to square that. So now we have 4.5 squared, which is 20, 25, 20.25, so 20.25. We multiply that by pi, and we get 63.617 251.24. And our label is centimeters squared. Remember, the only time we square our label is when we have area and we're finding area. The next question, and our last one for this lesson, there are only 3, is if the area of a circle is 36 pi. So A says, what is the radius? So we're going to find the radius first. So the area is pi r squared. Replace the area with 36 pi. Oops, sorry, let me erase that. Okay, we're going to divide both sides by pi. So we have r squared equals 36. Now remember, we're going to take the square root of both sides to find what r is. So r is going to equal 6 feet. So to find the diameter, we have to multiply the radius by 2. So 2 times 6, which equals 12 feet. So now to find the circumference, we have c equals pi d. So pi times 12, which equals 37.699 11184 feet. Now, as always, your homework is at the end of the lesson. And that concludes our lesson.